Hey, welcome everyone. Welcome to this new amazing tutorial. So in this tutorial, I'm going to show all of you that how you can easily change the permalink structure of your WordPress website. Okay, so you can see that I have already logged in inside my WordPress dashboard. It's a very basic WordPress installation. I hope that all of you know that how to install WordPress. Okay, and if you don't know that, then I will give a link in the video description below about WordPress installation. Okay, and uh, after that, what you can do is simply log into your WordPress dashboard, and after that hover here settings, and from here click on permalinks. Okay, and let's visit our site. From here you can see that this is the WordPress website. It's the default 2020 theme. Okay, it's a fresh WordPress installation, and after clicking here you can see that WordPress already have 6 different types of permalink structure. Okay, so which one is the best? This one. This is the post name. For changing the permalink structure, simply click here, or if you want a numeric type permalink, then you can select the numeric, and if you want month and day and name type permalink structure, then you can select this one. But I want this type. Okay, this post name type. That's why I'm simply clicking here post name. Okay, and after that what you will have to do is simply click on save changes. Don't forget to click on save changes. Okay, and if I go to my front end and reload the page and visit one of my posts, I'm just simply visiting my post, you can see that the permalink is our domain name, and after that we have the post name. In my case, it's my localhost URL because I'm not working in any local domain name in any live server. I'm working in a localhost. Okay, that's why it's looking like that. In your website, it will be your domain name, and after that your post name. Okay, and if you want to set a custom structure of your permalink, then you can simply select custom structure from here. Okay, select custom structure from here, and after that from here you can add your custom permalink structure from here. And before adding that, you will have to remove all this. Okay, from here, and after that, suppose I want my domain name, after that I want my year, and then month name, and then my post name. That's why I'm selecting this three, and then click on save changes. Okay, and after that let's go back to our home page. Simply going back to my home page, and then simply click here again. You can see that our permalink structure changed, okay, into our custom structure. So that's how easy it is to change the permalink structure of your WordPress website. So I'm just keeping it post name. The reason is it's SEO friendly. Okay, always try to keep your permalink structure SEO friendly. And then simply again let's click here. I'm again clicking here. You can see that our permalink have changed. Okay, so that's all for today. See you in the next video tutorial, and if you like this video, then please give a thumbs up to this video, and if you face any problem or if you have any questions, then comment down below in the comment section, and don't forget to subscribe our YouTube channel for more upcoming tutorials like this. See you in the next video. Goodbye.